Hello and welcome to Excel for Data Analytics course with Data Shastri. In this video, we will go through what does Microsoft Excel offer and why do we need to do it? How are we going to deliver the course to you? What to do to make the best out of this course? Excel is one of the world's most widely used data tools, offering powerful features and a relatively small learning curve. It enables direct interaction with the data, saving significant amount of time when used correctly. And its broad adoption also enhances your resume and most importantly, employability. Some of you might not be aware that Excel has a built-in language support for VBA. This enables automations of daily tasks. In order to deliver a self-contained course, we will provide you with the relevant documentation where the topic demands for it. All these topics will be covered in the video lectures as well. However, more focus will be on the important topics. You will be doing assignments and hands-on exercises after important lectures, making sure the topics are very well understood. All of this will be again revised after each milestone with a mini project where you will be reusing all topics that we have covered at that point. To enhance your overall experience, we will be complementing the course with brain adaptation exercises on logical reasoning and data interpretation to make sure your approach to solving problem in Excel is backed by a strong thought process. And to make sure you are ready for interviews, we will cover some basic guesstimate questions, which is an important interview section in many companies. Way forward and to get the best out of this course, sleep and eat well, plan your day, be consistent, and spend around 1 hour daily to learn and practice new things. With this, I welcome you again to the course and I hope this will be a positive change in your life and career. Thank you.